Okay, so it ran out of time, or I ran out of time, for I gave you the code word for that one. And so the code word for the first one was reciprocal. So make sure you mention that. Um, I gave you the page number for the algebraic properties of rational numbers. So make sure you look at the algebraic properties. And we were involved in multiple strategies for solving word problems. So I want to finish that up because I do want you to be able to solve fractions that are in word problems. Let me fix this right here. Okay. And so we're going to look at the next one that was on that page, and I'll work that one out for you. And it says multiple strategies to solve word problems at the top of the page. And Aaron and David have 671 beads together. So together, Aaron and David have 671 beads. David has 6 more than 2/5. Okay, so I'm going to put up here, David has 6 more than 2/5 of Aaron's. Okay, of means multiplication in word problems, okay? So that means Aaron has the whole, because David has 2/5 of Aaron's. So over here, Aaron is going to have the whole. And since David's is divided up into fifths, 5/5 make a whole. Does that make sense? And so David is only going to have 2/5, plus he has 6 more. So if we can translate these problems into a model like this right here, then here we have 5/5 plus 2 more. So that's going to be 7 of those little portions. 7/5 plus 6 equals 671. And then we solve. Okay, we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. And that's going to leave 7 portions is equal to 665. And then we're going to divide by 7. And so that leaves 1 portion is equal, maybe I did something wrong here. Let's see. 2, 5. 6 more than 2/5 and 671. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay. All right, so let's come back down here. So each portion is going to be 9 and 35. Oh, I subtracted wrong. Okay. So that means that up here, Erin is going to have 5 95s. So she's going to have 95 in here, 95 in here, and you can figure out how much she's going to have total there. Then you could do the same thing with David. He's going to have 95 right here, 95 right here. It's 190 plus 6. That's David has 196. And that is beads. Okay, so who needs that many beads? I don't know, but David does, so he's got them. And so now then we could do this a different way. And I'm limited on time, so I'm going to give you the second word that you need to put in there, and that is sniffles, because I have the sniffles. Okay. So Aaron plus David have 671 beads. Okay. Aaron has the whole. David has 2/5 of what Aaron has, plus 6 more. So Aaron has 1. I got 29 seconds. So this is going to be 1 and 2/5 times Aaron's plus 6 equals 671. This is the same thing as 7/5 Aaron's. Subtract 6 equals 665. And then you would divide both sides by 7/5, and that would give you the answer. Running out of time. I miss you guys. This is the last post for today. I will be back tomorrow.